In this tutorial, we'll have a look at how you can create photorealistic visualizations using Autodesk Revit and the Autodesk 360 rendering service. To begin, you'll first need to create a scene to render in Revit. This is best done by creating a camera. You can access Camera via the View tab and then by selecting 3D View. Now, while in Plan View, within your Revit model, select a start and an end point for your camera. A 3D view will automatically be created based on those points. Now, to get a better sense of the scene before rendering, you can use the various visual styles that are located on the lower left corner of the screen to go from various degrees of shading, including consistent colors and realistic. You can even add shadows to these 3D camera views. Now you're ready to create a rendering. To do this, go back to the View tab and select Render in the Cloud. Now, rendering in the cloud is a three-step process, beginning with selecting the 3D views that you'd like to render. When the Render dialog box appears, you also have a few fine-tuning options, such as selecting which view you like to render. You can even specify the type of output, ranging from a still image to an interactive panoramic view. Render quality and image size can also be set here as well. Now, if you're doing a test rendering, it's best to choose the standard quality as well as a small image size to quickly view the results. But if you're ready to do a final rendering, you should choose final as a quality and a larger rendering size. Exposure and file format can also be specified here in this dialog box as well. Depending on the options that you choose, cloud credits that are needed to perform the visualization will be calculated. And to understand more about cloud credits, be sure to read the FAQ that is accessible in the dialog box. Finally, you have the option of being notified once the rendering is complete. Simply select this checkbox before selecting Start Rendering. Now, once the process has begun, you can even choose to conduct the rendering in the background. This is especially helpful when you have additional tasks that you need to perform within the model. And once the rendering is complete, you will get a notification that will take you to the rendering gallery. You can even do post-production work on the rendering itself, such as adjusting exposure, highlights, midtones, and even saturation. Finally, you can even convert a still image into a panoramic view by selecting the image and choosing Render as Panorama. Once the process is complete, you can interactively move the camera within a select region of the image itself.